Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix fan and lights staying on even after shutdown in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Method 1. Go to Windows search bar, type Edit Power Plan, click and open Power Plan. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings, expand PCI Express, expand Link State Power Management, change the setting to off. Click on Apply, click on OK. Go to Windows search bar again, type Edit Power Plan, click on Power Options, click on Choose what the power buttons do, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable, turn off Fast Startup, click Save Changes and restart. Method 2. Go to Windows search bar, type CMD, right click Run as Administrator, copy the code from description and paste it, click enter. That's it. Restart your computer and see if the problem is fixed or not. Thanks for watching.